This is a review of the Lego Technic Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. This is a great, awesome gift idea for anyone that loves cars, Mustangs in general. It could be teens, kids, even adults. You can use it as an actual toy. You can use it as a display piece. This Ford Mustang GT500 is awesome because it is very detailed in terms of what the car represents and what it represents in the real life Ford GT. As you can see, it has a lot of references to the car with the striping, the Shelby emblem in the front, the rear end tail lights. It's really cool. Now, this Lego set will take a couple hours, 2 to 3 hours to fully assemble, and you can do it as something by yourself or with someone else, a group setting. Maybe 2 or 3 people can do it at once. It could be a group thing. It's recommended for kids, although as an adult, this could be something for you if you like to display. Now, once you finish this product, you can use it as an actual car. It's a spring-loaded car. If you pull back, you can hear the spring. It locks up. There's a lever in the back that you pull that launches the car. In this case, I'm not going to show that because it would be very hard to film. So this back piece, the spoiler comes off and that the lever fully depresses and engages for you to use it as a go car. Now in my case, I just use it as a display piece and I love the way it looks. It's very awesome. It has 544 pieces in this box. So here's the box that's included. It comes with 544 pieces for this Lego set. It takes about 2 to 3 hours, as I mentioned. It's pretty cool. You can use some software stuff with your smartphone to add more pizzazz to this car. These are the instructions how you do that. But for this particular situation, I just love it as a display piece. But here you can see in the back, this is what it would look like and how you use the car. But I just love the Shelby GT500 in terms of its display. It looks so awesome on a shelf and it's cool.